Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, we going to make a cooking show again. But today I'm going to show you guys how to cook sardine. This is a very delicious sardine that you will ever try in your life. Because Malaysian, we as a Malaysian, we cook so much, like instead of putting like less ingredient, instead of like just chucking everything on the pan, but we make things taste better, and we do like added some ingredients that enhance the taste. And today I'm going to show you guys how to enhance the taste of sardines. So instead of like normally people just open up the can and then chuck it in the pans, and then they end up like taste sardine like not really nice in a way. And then they also say like, okay, I don't like sardine because it just tastes of sardine and tomato. But today I'm going to show you guys how to enhance the taste of sardine. And also we're gonna put some ingredients, but it's not much. It's a very quick way to cook sardine, guys. You can have this with a white rice or brown rice or any kind of rice that you guys prefer, but the main dish is sardine itself. Alright, so before we go into today's video, I just want to say, you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is AFAN channel. So this is a channel that I throw all random video on my channel, so you can get pretty much everything, all the information that you needed, and especially regards to cabin crew life or interview whatsoever. And also, if you guys stopping by my channel, thank you for watching my channel. I hope you guys enjoy this channel, and then please consider subscribe to my channel if you guys love this channel so much. And for those who already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you so much for believing in my channel and also enjoy watching my channel. I enjoy me talking so much, and enjoy me doing all this kind of video. So if you guys have any recommendation, any feedback, please do not hesitate to just leave your comment down below, and I will be so happy to reply to you guys. If you guys have any feedback, any kind of ideas or for my next futures videos, so please leave in the comments below. I will try my best to do it for you guys. But there's some ingredients, actually there is some people like suggesting me to cook some of the other dishes, but I can't because I live in Europe. And then it's hard for me to get all this Asian supermarket, and then all the ingredients, like stuff like it's difficult. So I try my best to get what kind of ingredient that I can cook, and then show it to you guys. All right. Okay. So the ingredients are 1 tomato, and also 2 pieces of chilies, and also we need a can of sardine, and also a ginger powder. So if you don't have ginger powder, you can always use a normal ginger. And also we need 2 pieces of onion, and also 4 pieces of garlic, and as well as dry chilies. And also you need a salt or pepper if you want, and some sugar too. This is a very simple method. So they got 2 methods. One is a sardine itself, so sardine in the can. So we're not going to touch it yet. But first of all, we're going to put all this ingredient, which is like ingredient we need to blend. So what kind of ingredient that we needed? It's onions. So you can put 2 onions or 1 onion, depends on you guys. So we can have a chili as well, dry chilies, and also the garlic. So garlic, I just put 4 pieces of garlic. You can always use a garlic powder as well. That could be fine, not a problem. But I just want to mention to you guys about chilies. If you guys doesn't like chili, you guys doesn't like any spicy, so you guys can always put the the chili paste, like kind of a chili paste in Europe, like all have a like spiciness level, or moderate or light. You can always put that. The reason why I put chili is because I want to have a nice taste of chilies as well, and also a kick of chilies inside it. It will taste very nice. It's good. So we're gonna put all this ingredient in blender, and then I'm gonna blend it, and I'm gonna show you guys later on what kind of texture that we needed, and then we're gonna proceed to the next steps. Alright, so before you guys blend all these ingredients, so just make sure that you guys put some water into your blender, because we want to get like really nice good textures of paste. So we don't want it to be too watery, because otherwise it's not gonna look nice, and also when you fried it, it's gonna be like too dry. So put some water, blended it, and then I'll show you guys what is the nice texture that we are looking for. Alright, so we just finished. I blended all this ingredient. So as you guys can see, so this is kind of a texture that we needed. Look at that, look at the color. It's all like purplish, a dark purple with a redness a bit. It looks like a burgundy purplish. That's beautiful. So this kind of texture that we needed, blend it off, and then we're going to proceed to cooking. So it's a very simple way. Let's start cooking. Alright, so first of all, you guys heat up the pan. So we're gonna heat up the pan and then add on some oil. So you guys can use olive oil or any sunflower, whatever oil you guys want to use it. Add on a bit. Okay, so then we're gonna wait until the oil like fully hot, and then we're gonna add on the fried ingredients, which is the one that we just blend. Alright, so after the oil is fully hot, then we can add on our blend ingredients. So just put everything in. Okay, just cook them for like maybe 5 or like 6 minutes after all these ingredients has been cooked, like fried. And also, if you guys like, if you love to put your, your food and you get leftover food, so you want to keep it until tomorrow. So make sure you guys cook a chili for a very long time, because if you don't cook a chili for a very long time, it will give you a stomach ache. So you don't want that. Spend like the whole day, the next day on your weekend, in the toilet. So after it's fully cooked like this, alright, all this texture like dry, so we're gonna add on a garlic powder. So you guys can always use a normal garlic. So if you use normal garlic, so you should blend together with all this ingredient. But if you use garlic powder, then you can add on now. You're gonna add on like 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. And if it's too dry, then you guys can add on a bit of water. And then put 1 teaspoon of salt. And add on 1 tablespoon of sugar. And then you can put all your sardine in there. Put everything. Because once you put your sardine, you don't want to stir too much, because otherwise it's going to break all these sardines. So just keep gently cook them. And then if you want to flip them, you can flip them over, but gently, because sardine is very fragile. And then you can start add on the tomato. So I got 1 tomato here, then I chop into like 4 pieces like this, and put them on the pan. And also what I'm making is this is a nice taste of chilies as well. So the green chilies you guys can put, so just put 1 green chilies is enough. And then just let them cook for a while, and then slow down the heat. And then after that, you guys can add on some water. So maybe half cup of water, because after you put all these ingredients, the sardine, it tends to be like a bit dry. So just put a bit of water. And also the tomato will produce more water on it, so don't put too much. Half cup is enough. And then let it steam, let it cook for a while, for after like 5 and 6 minutes, and then it's ready to eat. Alright guys, so that's all for today's video. So see, we finished cooking for like maybe 20 minutes or 25 minutes, so you can easily prepare these dishes. So it is very simple way. It is very famous in Malaysia because I still remember my grandmother and also my mom used to cook this sardine, but I always twist the recipe a bit to enhance the taste, so it will taste really nice and delicious. And you will after this look at the sardine in a different way, because different view, because you should try this because you're gonna love it, you know, absolutely love it. So we put sardine in the next level of the taste, so it will be really nice and good for you if you want to serve to your family, friends, and also you know, if you got visitor. And then you can always serve them with the white rice or brown rice, whatever rice you needed, you wanted, you can go for it. And also, if you guys do like this video, please don't forget to hit the likes button, so then I know what kind of video you like it. And also, I hope you guys enjoy and have a good lovely weekend. And I just want to say something, guys. So today is going to be National Day for Malaysia. I just want to say happy National Day for Malaysia. I'm so proud to be Malaysian and living in Europe. And you know, I just want to say something, guys. There's so many things happen in media social right now, like about hatred, racism, and all this different kind of you know, the news that we all like, you know, put so much hatred on the media social. I just want to say that if you guys doesn't have anything good or like, you know, to say, just keep your mouth shut, so it's better, rather than put your opinions or your thought like negativity on the media social. Because right now we have seen a lot of kids also you know, teenagers like look at their phone like frequently, and then if they see like all this kind of negativity on the media social, that is not going to be really good for them, because we have to mold them to be a good future you know, human, and also in a career wise in the future. So we have to educate them to be a better person in the future, not to just put so much hatred on the media social and then let them read it, and then that is kind of like toxic. So we proud, guys. So we are so multicultural and we are so diverse, and we all living together for like how many years already. So you guys should be proud. And then, you know, if you've seen any like toxic about media social, any kind of like posted regards to any racism, different you know, the difference between like colors, cultures, whatsoever, you just, guys, delete them or ignore them, or just, you know, avoid them. You know, don't give any feedback or don't give any response to that, because it's just gonna make things worse, to be honest. And then I just don't like that. I don't like to read all these things, you know. I always scroll down. If I see like someone like posted any negativity on Facebook, I just delete them, put them away straight away, because I don't want that to influence me as well. Because I don't think it's good. Because now we are celebrating National Day in Malaysia, so we should enhance, we should you know, like embrace ourselves, and then be proud to be one. And then we all have to come together and build Malaysia, and no one have you know, like disadvantage or advantage in Malaysia. We all work together to build this country, to shape this country to be a better country in the future. So you take the responsibility to do that, as well as me. So we all work together, all right? So please, guys, just spread all the positivity on your Facebook or any kind of media social that you guys might have. So yeah, that's all for today's videos, guys. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you guys want to leave this channel. So I will see you guys next week, or probably next after 2 weeks. So I hope you guys enjoy your day, be safe whatever you are, and then I just want to wish happy National Day for Malaysia. So bye bye.